there, it's Ashley from WTI, and I have been loving my shower stool from ROHKEX. This is a small and compact yet very sturdy stool. It comes in this beautiful white color, and what I love about this stool is that it has a beautiful wood look to it, but it's actually aluminum and a poly lumber material that this is made out of. The elegant design of this has these beautiful crosses here on the sides, and it has two shelves, so perfect to store whatever you need to store below here, maybe some extra bathroom supplies or shoes. It has plastic on the bottom of the legs, meaning it's not going to rust on you, and you can easily adjust the legs to fit whatever type of flooring you have. Like in my shower, I have this pebble stone, which looks fantastic against the white stool, but it can be uneven. So adjusting those legs makes this so easy to use. Some other stools, you do have to worry about mold building up, but because of the material that this is made out of, it is waterproof, there is no maintenance, and you can easily scrub it down and it's good to go. It supports up to 300 pounds. This is a perfect area for me to shave or sit down if I want to relax a little bit. I would highly recommend this. It's been a great addition to my bathroom. I really love it, but that's just my point of view.